this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get a whopping of $300 Google Ads credits for free in Nigeria. If you turn that into Naira with the current exchange rate, that is over 228,000 Naira. Imagine how many sales you'll be able to generate if you put this amount of money into your business. Welcome back to my channel. I'm the mayor of Mayor Concept, and on this channel I share valuable informations on how you can easily make money online. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that YouTube will notify you immediately I post similar valuable content on my channel. I am 100% sure that if you watch this video to the end and follow every single thing I'm going to be sharing in this video step by step, you are surely going to get this $300 Google Ads credit for free. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Alright, the first step is to create a new Google Ads account. What you want to do is to head on over to ads.google.com. Here is the interface that you will get immediately you are on the website. As you can see right here, they said to help you get started with Google Ads, we will give you $300 US in free ad credits. All right, so when you spend $300, I'm going to explain this very soon. Just follow every single step I'm going to be revealing. All right, so the first thing you want to do is to click on this Start Now button so that you sign up for a new Google Ad account. So all you need is a Gmail account. If you already have your Gmail account that you've not used to run ads before, then you can use it to sign up. But if you have the one that you have used before, it won't work for this. All right, so you need a new Gmail account. So I'm just going to type in my Gmail account right now. Alright, so once you are on this page, all you need to simply do is to come here and click on switch to expert mode. Alright, so once you're on this page, the first thing that you want to do is to just set up a random campaign. They want you to create a campaign, but let's just set up a random campaign. So I'm going to click I'm going to click this, and I'm going to click on this, and I'm just going to click on continue. So once you are here, you just want to set up this random campaign so that we can move to our main dashboard. All right, so let me just do this randomly. And also, if you want me to create a tutorial on how you can run ads with Google, all right, on how you can professionally run ads with Google and make a lot of sales running ads with Google, just type in Google Ads in the comment section. Type in Google Ads in the comment section. If you want to target quality people that can pay for your business or that can pay for your courses, Google Ads is one of the best platforms that you can use. If you want me to create a tutorial on how you can run Google Ads for your business and make a lot of sales and reach a lot of quality people and your potential customers, just type in Google Ads in the comment section. Type in Google Ads. If I get up to 50 comments on Google Ads, I'm going to create a full-blown tutorial on how to create a professional Google Ads. Alright, so I am done creating the random campaign. So I'm gonna leave the billing country to Nigeria. Alright, so I'm going to leave this like this, and it will be also here. Alright, so but the thing you want to, as you can see right here, you can see they said offer successfully applied. They said offer successfully applied. You will receive a $300 credit when you spend $300 US. Now there are some things that you need to know so that you will get this $300. So the thing Google is saying is that you must have spent $300 so that you will know that you are not just a robot creating accounts, or maybe you are creating multiple accounts. So they will be sure that you are a real person creating a Google Ads account and a new person to the platform creating a Google Ads account. So that's why I said if you have an old Google Ads account, that will not work for this. All right, they are crediting this for new Google Ads users. So this, as you can see, said offer successfully applied, and if I spent $300 on this my account, they will give me this $300 for free. All right, so there are still some things that you need to know so that you won't lose this $300 credit. So stay with me. This part that I'm about to explain is the most important part of this video. So just uncheck this, and Google to be sending you all these promotional offers, and click on submit. Then you need to create a payment profile. All right, so I'm just gonna click create that. Now I'm going to click on create. So once you are done, you just need to come here and click on submit. They also ask you to add a credit or debit card, so you can just add this. So then you come here to add your card. So I'm just going to add one of my cards right now. So once you are done, you just click on save card, and then you just come down here and click on submit. Also, you will need to add at least $10 to your Google Ads account for you to be able to kickstart your earning process. All right, so once you to add that particular amount, all you need to do is just to come to this add the manual payment, and click on the manual payment. Then you type in the amounts you want to add to your Google Ads account. All right, so let me say 100, the amount you want to add to your Google Ads account. So once you are done, just click on continue, and then come back down to click on submit. As you can see, it said congrats, you are all done, and they said we will review your campaign usually within an hour. After it's approved, you can edit your campaign and check its progress. If you are currently getting value from this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Please like the video, and also subscribe to my channel. Turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified immediately I drop valuable content similar to the one you are watching right now. And also, in case you have any question, make sure you drop all your questions in the comment section. I will reply to each and every one of you in the comment section. So let's get back to the video. It's as simple as that. So all you need to do now is to click on explore your campaign, so that it will take you to your main dashboard. All right, now as you can see here on my dashboard, it is saying get $300 in credit for future ad spend when you spend $300 by 26 August 2023. So this is where you'll be checking your progress, and once you use $300 on your Google Ads account, they will immediately give you the $300 on your ad account. And now what you must note is that this $300 is only for you to spend ads on Google. Obviously, there is no withdrawal involved though. Before you start holding me in the comment section, there are some important things that you need to consider so that you won't lose this $300. So if you just come back to the Google home page, all right, so let's just and come down here and click on this. You will get to see all the terms and conditions for this $300. All right, so the first thing is that this offer is available only while supply lasts. This means that once you create your ad account and this offer as shown on your dashboard, then you are eligible for the $300 once you spend $300. All right, so also offer only available to advertisers which are new to Google Ads with a billing address in Nigeria. All right, this offer is for people living in Nigeria only. All right, one promotional offer per advertiser. So if you are creating multiple Google Ads accounts, it probably won't work. All right, but you can still try it and let me know in the comments if it works for you. All right, so to activate this offer, all you need to do is to click on the button or link associated with this offer, and it will be automatically applied to your first Google Ads account. Then the promotional offer must be applied to your first Google Ads account within 14 days of your first ad impression being served. All right, so this is what you must take note. This is what you must take note, that you must at least spend this $300 within 2 weeks for you to be able to qualify for this. This means that if you did not spend up to $300 on your first 2 weeks, you will not be eligible for this offer. So you must take note of this. And also, the promotional offer will only be applied to your account if a payment profile and a valid payment method is added during the initial sign-up process. All right, and also if you come down here, you see that they said the credit expires 60 days after it is applied to your account. So you have just 60 days to use this Google Ads credit. So you can come here to read all these terms and conditions. Once you are just done, you can click on you can check this and click on this link for you to actually get more information on this particular offer. So once you are done, just click on OK, get it. All right, and that's, I'm very sure that you follow every single steps that I've just explained, you will be able to get this $300 free Google Ads credit on your Google Ads account, on your new Google Ads account. So if you're able to get this free Google Ads credit, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. All right, smash on that subscribe button and also like and share this video. It really means a lot to me. All right, and I'll highly appreciate it. Also, once you get your free $300 Google Ads credit, don't forget to share your testimony in the comment section. All right, as you might know that there are some essential things that you need to run ads with Google. One of the things you need is a landing page, and if you don't know how to create one, there is a link that is popping out right now that will teach you how you can create highly converting landing pages for free. I remain the mayor of Mayor Concept, and see you in the next one.